Morning Goldbacks, Miss Redican here for some more kitchen chemistry. And we're still studying solutions. Okay, today we're going to take a look at something related to solutions called parts per million. Basically, what does 1 in a million look like? So right here in our first test tube, I have 9 milliliters of water, and I'm going to add 1 milliliter of food dye. Okay, so that's about 1 milliliter of food dye. I'm going to mix it up. So 1 milliliter out of the total 10 makes 1 in 10. So that's what 1 in 10 looks like. And we're going to take a milliliter from here. We have 9 milliliters in here. Okay, we're going to take 1/10 of 1/10. 1/10 of 1/10 is 1 in 100. So we're going to make what 1 in 100 looks like. Put everything back, approximately. Okay, so we're going to mix that up. This is what 1 in 100 looks like. Because we took 1/10 of 1/10, and that's 1 in 100. And we're going to do that again. We got 9 milliliters. We're going to add. Okay, and put the rest back. So we took 1/10 of 1/100th. That's 1 in 1,000. Okay. So you can still see the food dye. Do it again. This is called dilution. We're going to take 1/10 of 1,000. So I'm going to add 10. Okay, so I added 1 milliliter of that. 1/10 of 1,000. And you get 1 in 10,000. Look at the comparison. Look at the difference we're creating here already. We know there's food dye in here. You really can't see it at this point. Right? If there's food dye in here and I added it to here and to here and here, there's definitely food dye. It's just not discernible to our eye. And we're going to keep going. We're going to take 1/10 of 10,000. The rest back. 1/10 of 10,000 is 1 in 1,000. 1 in 100,000. And again, we know there's food dye in there. You just no longer can see it. And last, the rest back. 1/10 of 100,000 gets you 1 in a million. Let's put them all together. We got 1 in 10, 1 in 100, 1 in 1,000, 1 in 10,000, 1 in 100,000, and 1 in a million. Again, in this last one, you cannot see the food dye any longer with your eyes, but we know it's there. We placed it in there. Each time there was a little bit of food dye, a little bit of food dye. Okay, so our solute was food dye, our solvent was water, and this is what 1 in a million looks like. Today's code word is bubblegum. Okay, that's all, guys. Have a great day.